Hello everybody, I got the Pagalo and I am Mr. Ray. I'm kind of just kicking back. It's 4:20 here in the 808 state. And I figure I'd just let you guys listen to some soothing sounds of running water. Kick back, enjoy and relax while I start to burn on. We're just here inside my new taro patch that I planted under 12. According to my Hawaiian moon calendar, that was the full moon night, Mahealani. And so I planted this taro patch during the moonlight. So we'll take a couple of hits with this joint. And then I'll show you guys my new taro patch coming out. Alright. So let's go ahead and take a look at my new taro patch. Just close up with the water. Alright. So this is 3-month-old taro patch. I planted 3 months ago. I did a video on that. And this is my new taro patch. And we're just watering it. And here's one of the small leaves just starting to come out. And we got another leaf coming out here. Let's see, one more there. By Wednesday in a week, when they make a week old, all these leaves. But this is my new taro patch. I got one more section to go to the edge of the water. Right beyond that small little bush, there's another section. Probably about another 100. And this section here, we have roughly about 63 pulleys that I planted. And I have a special guest today. His name is Paul. And my new doggy. Hey, Ko. Hey, Ko. Ko is a purebred Akita. I just got him a few days ago. 7 months old, roughly about 70 pounds. Male. He's not moving around too much today because I had him snipped. So, might be in a little pain right now. But he's alright. He was playing my other dog. So he's doing alright. But when he came to me a few days ago, his name was Kuma. K-U-M-A. Kuma. And I believe that's bear in Japanese. But we're not in Japan, we're in Hawaii. So I'm basically changing his name to Ko. And the reason I picked Ko means warrior or brave. And it's pretty close to Kuma, so the transition should be alright. Here's my other dog, Kolea. Hey, Kolea. This is my Manuela dog. He go all over the place. He take people to the beach. So, I go back over here, kick back, listen to the soothing sounds of the water. And able to actually see the water and hear the water. Hopefully you're blocking the sound of that wind because there's so much wind over here. I just wanted to do a nice relaxing video. It's been a while. There you go. drinking some OG Coors. Hope you guys enjoying this peaceful sounding water, running water, and the view. And all it is a water hose behind the shovel. That's about it. But it has a nice sound. Running water always is. Hope you guys had a nice day today. Hope you guys had a safe day today. I hope you guys been medicated today. Because I know me and a few brothers, we've been medicating all day long. So anyway, folks, I'll give you one more hit of this joint because we're almost done with this joint. Give one more good hit, nice and long, repeated. Alright. You guys have a good one? Catch you later. Stay fly. Stay high. As often as possible. Aloha. Maluya. Oop, bye-bye. Maluya. Aloha. I'll leave you with this right here. I'll let them run a little while. For a few more seconds. Enjoy the soothing sound of running water. I hope you know that I make you see. Aloha.